Hi guys, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. Today we're going to be learning how to play Build Me Up, Buttercup by the Foundations. Great song. Let's take a listen to the beginning of it. All right, I love that song and it's got a great piano part in it. Like I said, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. Come join us where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn piano online. You can do it. You just have to choose the right lessons, and you have to know how to practice those two things. Have those two. I think you can do it. All right, so let's get started with this part one lesson. So if you are a member of the website, you can download the sheet. And let me encourage you guys. We are on Instagram and we were posting like crazy, and there's lots of Instagram exclusive things, especially something we are uploading today you're going to love. We are Web Piano Teacher on Instagram. Check it out. But we'll get to this part one here. As we look at the board, we see these octaves, and I don't necessarily hear the piano playing at the very beginning of this, but I like to include those instrumental parts that are crucial to the sound of the song, okay? There's plenty of piano in this, though, and I dig those parts out and figure them out and teach you guys to play them. But at the beginning here, we definitely need to do bum, 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 bum. Everyone will probably recognize that, especially when you play that part. All right, so we'll start with C's, and here's middle C. I'm going to come down here, and I'm just going to do one note in each hand. I don't think we really need, that little double octave in the left hand. We'll just do this is enough, I think. All right, so we'll play that C. That's a staccato. That just means you have space. Bum, bum, bum. Okay? And let me remind you, if you haven't, if you've watched my lessons before and you need reminding, let's not pedal everything to death. A lot of times when people start pedaling, they just hold the pedal down and never lift it. Some people do that, and some people pedal too much. You really want to learn it without pedal and then put it in later. Then it's a lot easier to add it than it is to try to take it away if you're used to holding that pedal down all the time. And especially in something like this, those spaces are so important. All right, so we're going to play that C and get off of it. And then we're going to play it two more times. And it's 1, 2, 3. Bum, ba, bum, bum. And then I'll add the E here. After that, E in the right, E in the left. Let me hold that over. Another E. 2 more E's. So whenever you see the curved line in my notation, I'm telling you, those are eighth notes or 16ths. They're just little faster notes. The dashes mean you hold them out. So bum, 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 bum. Okay, so get that down. Dun, 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 dun. Then we'll move to F. All right, so it's bum, bum, bum. We do the same rhythm we did at the beginning. We're just on an F now. F, 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 G, 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 G. We kind of run out of room there, but the G does the same thing. Bum, 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 bum. From the beginning, a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, ready, go. Bum, ba, bum, 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 ba, bum. All right, and there is a really neat piano part that comes in later and lasts throughout. I'll teach you all of that on webpianoteacher.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this part one lesson. Have a great day. See you later.